After opening the cervicothoracic junction and opening the shoulder blade back, I feel like I'm in a sweet spot to go ahead and start working on the posterior cervical spine. In Kristen's case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift her hair up and out of the way and maybe give her just a little bit of length on the neck forward. I'm going to turn her head just a little bit down towards the table, which is going to open up this posterior section of the cervical spine. If you don't feel comfortable using a forearm or an elbow, you can always use the thumbs to start, to come in and feel through the muscle there. Splenius capitis, splenius cervicis, trapezius, all these guys run through here, and about right there she has a little more tension. What I'm going to do is grab here at the arm and shoulder to give me some more length, and then I'm going to come down with a forearm in the posterior right there. Kristen, how's that? Not too much pressure? You want a bit more?
Sure.
Okay, I'm going to lean in just a little bit. How's that? You'll notice that I used my other forearm on the shoulder here. It made more sense biomechanically to hold that. Now, Kristen, if I give you pressure to the posterior or to the anterior, which one do you like?
Posterior.
Okay. Now, once I'm posterior, good right there? Do you want up towards the head or down towards the feet?
Feet.
Right there? What about some rocking?
That's good.
There we go. I'm usually trying to help you find really easy ways to deliver pressure that are hands-free. You can see that my hands are totally relaxed as I do this. How's this feel on your arm and deltoid?
Good.
It's a good secondary piece. I'm not really trying to apply that much pressure to the arm itself, but it allows me to have 2 points of contact to be able to modify pressure on the neck itself. Right there. Always go slow and communicate with the receiver.